This week on Monday Matter, we're improving your desk setup. This is our smart stand. It creates a standing sitting desk out of any desk. With its adjustable feet, you get the perfect height. And with its drawer and handy back, side, and front organizers, you can put everything you need right inside of it. In addition, it has cable management at the back. Here we're showing our foot rocker. This device allows you to get that perfect foot position. So when you're sitting at your desk, you get the perfect ergonomic position. Here we have our screen cleaner from our Bractech range. A great product, a vital in any office. Simply spray on the screen, clean your device, and it's new again.